So, do you want to sound like this?
I'll fight from the ashes, fight from the pain, I fracture of flames, you can hear talking! Yeah!
Let's go for the triggers. The idea is to be very relaxed. We'll use a vowel that we call falsetto, and it's kind of, we are imitating a cartoon character, and he talks a lot of like that. Yeah, good. If you can do this, you can do that. So that's the thing. Then we will do the cat. Always thinking about let the resonance of your nose. Find this place that have this distortion and your voice sound very metallic. And then use a little bit the warm air. What I mean to when I use the warm air is a little bit of this warm air that comes when we are cleaning some glasses, and we use a little bit of it. We use this falsetto with a little bit of warm air. Then your voice starts to crack a little bit. Try to hold your support. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Hold your voice. Try to open through the vowel. Find the balance. You see that when you put a little bit the support, the distortion will be a little bit strange, a little bit fucked up. Then you put a little bit, it starts to become more constantly. So that's the idea of finding the balance of the support. So it's very good. And about different tempers, we can play a little bit with going for more the warmer. There's more black metal thing. And if you can go more for the yelling, it's more metalcore thing. Yeah! Ah! Fuck yeah! So that's two different tempers that we can reach. If you go for more for the warmer, if you go for more for the yelling, if you go more for the note of the falsetto. Yeah! 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 So it's changing the temper, depends of the balance of the things that you want to play a little bit. So that's a nice tip for you. If you want to achieve lower screams, the idea is taking the falsetto, get down the note, let your mouth kind of shape of when you are eating some cookies. I'm doing this temper that is blend the cat thing and blend the distortion first, just you to see the middle way of the thing. Yeah! 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 So you can play a little bit with the yeah with the lower key. Yeah! Yeah! can push, just like I said before. Yeah! 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 So that's the idea of doing some lower things. Very good. Another thing that is helpful, it is playing a little bit of yodeling. Yodelay-hoo. We'll do it with falsetto. Do with the word yeah. 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 So you see that you can yellow a little bit. And put some suffering in the scream. That is very nice temper. I use a lot. And that's the keys. Always thinking about let a little bit the warmer. Be careful of balancing it. You can play a little bit with the temper, but because if you go with too much warmer, will be too much atmospheric, or a black metal that's more atmospheric. If you go for the yelling, it's more metalcore and it's more other stuffs. So you can play a little bit with these variables, and you will achieve some different tempers. So that's the thing. Do you understand more about vocals? Get a free try of my course right fucking now. Is my gift for you, and it's made by a guy that sucks in school. In other words, there will be more practice and no mumbo jumbo thing. So you will like it a lot and have a lot of fun, man. It's like playing video games, I guarantee you. See you soon, buddy. Yeah.